Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of National Agriculture Academy. So in this video I will tell you all the step-by-step process of online counseling for admission to UG, PG and PhD courses. Okay, so all these steps are now completed. You have already uploaded the documents that were required. I told you all the documents that were necessary in the previous video. And now is the time when the university will recheck and verify your documents that you uploaded. So the university that you got in the first round of counseling, it will verify the documents, and if there is any unclear or irrelevant document, you have to re-upload them. The university will send you a message, and from that day to the next date you will have time till the next date to the day after that date when you got the message, and you have to re-upload those documents, okay, in that permitted time. And there should be no lapse of time, as it's required to avoid the requirement of resubmission. After this, the step is, see, once the university messages you that your documents are verified, then you can pay the seat acceptance fee of rupees 10,000. This fee has to be paid by every student, irrespective of any category and anything. If you want to upgrade also, then also you have to pay this fees. If you want to take the admission in the college that you got in first round, then also you have to pay this fees. It is non-refundable fees, but due to COVID-19 situation, they if a candidate will request 100% refund, then they will give you a refund, okay. And in case you upgrade your seat, then in that case this fee should not be again means that fees will not be required, okay. Again that fees will not be required, and no need to pay that 10,000 again. Only once. This is one time fee. See, after this they have told that if you wish for upgradation, then you have to select upgradation. So I'll show you once. See, here it is allotted course, then allotted university name. Then when you will click on this option, remark option, then it will show you two options. One is upgrade, and then second is take that seat, okay. And if you want to upgrade that seat, if you don't want this college, and if you want to upgrade and see that if there is any chance for upgradation, you have to click on upgrade option. And if you are satisfied with the college that you got in first round counseling, then in that case you have to click here and then select the option of admit, okay. And then you have to pay the online fee of that admission token fee of 10,000, okay. So all the students have to pay that fees. If you want to upgrade, then also you have to pay that fees. It's mandatory. See, the thing that I want to tell you is, if you are selecting upgradation option, then you will get the seat that are above the choices that you filled above the university which you got in the first round of counseling, okay. And most important thing is, once you have selected upgradation, you can't take back the university which you got in first round of counseling. You will not be eligible for that university, okay. So do it very wisely and think that you have to upgrade or not, okay. If you want the university that you got in first round itself, then you can select the admit option, okay. See, here it is written very clearly, if an upgraded seat is allotted in the subsequent round, then the candidate will have no claim left on the earlier allotted seat. So if you will get any seat after upgradation, you have to ultimately take that seat. You will have no claim left for the seat that you were allotted in the first round of counseling. So please be very careful, very wisely. Think that you have to upgrade or not. After that, provisional admission letter will be mailed on your email ID. After that, second and third round will be conducted, and there also you can upgrade to other colleges. And the choices, and most important thing is, the choices you have filled earlier, now they can't be changed. Okay, once you have filled the choices, now there is no scope, there is no possibility of changing these choices. And after all the rounds will be over, you have to carry all the original documents that are uploaded by you, and offline mode of verification will be done. And if anything means any document is irrelevant or false, then your admission will be denied. Okay, and that 10,000 which you already paid as the seat acceptance fee, that will be added in your university's admission fee. Okay, and after that, fellowship or scholarship will be allotted to you after final admissions are completed by the university. So the thing is, be very careful. If asked, then re-upload the documents, and then while re-uploading also, please verify the documents correctly, check it twice, and do the things very wisely. If you want to upgrade, think about it calmly that you want to upgrade or not. If you want to take the seat, then think about it wisely that are you comfortable with that college, are you comfortable with the seat, and are you willing to take that seat. And one more thing, so where your rejection reason is your qualifying university is not in the ICAR list of accredited institute or university. In that case, please mail the authorities, because we have to mail them and tell them that this problem is, it's very irrelevant, because last year also our seniors got the seats from these universities that are not accredited this time, so they can't do like this. So we have to mail them and tell them that our university is not accredited now, but we are eligible for taking the seat. And this I already told you, that upgrade or admit and then pay online the fees. So okay, this is all for today, and I hope this video will help you. Thank you so much. For further updates, please subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found this content relevant. Thank you.